What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm out here lost in the wilderness. No, I'm just kidding. I'm in the city, but I found this cool spot that I want to show you guys my bike in. The nice background, it's beautiful. I can't stop staring at it. You guys ready for this? Check it out.
That's good.
Caught some bugs in the front. Driving up here or riding up here, but it looks awesome regardless. Definitely needs a wash. I haven't washed it yet. Still waiting for some parts to come in the mail, but I wanted to take it out for a ride, and I'm super stoked that I'm able to. This thing is so fast. I thought my 48 was fast, but this thing just pulls. It's an amazing bike. Definitely coming up soon. New tires. Look how bald these are. I don't think I've ever had tires that low. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video, but let me show you the rear one. It's pretty much bald in the center. Previous owner wasn't too keen on twisties, I guess, or turning the bike, because the sides are good, but the center is just gone. Alright guys, I'm gonna go for a ride. Keep watching. I'm gonna try to set it up on my camera, on my helmet, so you guys can see. Alright guys, in these next several clips, it's gonna be about a minute of me attempting to do wheelies. I had to resort to power wheelies because my rear tire is bald, and when I try to clutch wheelie, my rear tire would just spin on me, it would just slip and burn out, so that didn't work out at all. Also, you guys got to remember, go easy on me. This is my first attempt. These are my first attempts at Harley wheelies, and it's pretty difficult, but I'm excited to try to learn, so you guys check it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I had some failed attempts at some power wheelies, but it's the best I can do with the ball tires. Anyway, that's all for today. Make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a comment. Thank you.